Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to cut a square neckline on a t-shirt. It's so flattering and really easy to do. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So you're going to take your t-shirt and pull the center front towards you and then the center back away so that it folds in half like this. And the seams on each side of the collar line up. So you'll just grab it like that with holding those seams together. And now we're going to flip it on its side like this. So the collar is facing you, folded in half. You want to smooth all this area around the collar, and then don't worry about the back because we're going to cut close to the collar going around the back. Now you can take a good pair of fabric scissors. We're just going to cut straight into the shirt until we get past the collar and then straight up to where the collar and the shoulder seam meet. I like to do about 2 fingers below that collar seam, and we'll just go straight in like that. And then cut up towards that collar. This is a nice right angle, a nice square shape. When you get to the shoulder seam, you can just cut through 1 layer at a time if you want. It's much easier. We'll just cut straight through the shoulder seam and then around the back of the shirt until we get to the other side. So we're just cutting all along the back of the collar until you get around to the other side of the cut. You can just cut right through there. And your collar is completely off. And now you can see, when you unfold it, you have this cool square cut. And if there's any little ragged edges like that, you can just take your scissors and cut that little piece off. And then now you're just gonna pull on it a bit. And that makes this cotton of the t-shirt roll up. And it just looks a lot nicer and more finished that way, so you don't have a raw edge all around. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So it's kind of more of a sweetheart neckline. I find it really flattering and comfortable. And it's just another cool way to take the neck off your t-shirt. Thanks for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.